a large-scale air mass that rotates around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere is called as cyclones. Cyclones are characterized by inward spiraling winds that rotate above the zone of low pressure. Cyclones that form in every ocean basin across the world. They are named by regional specialized meteorological centers. There are 6 such centers in the world. One is Indian Meteorological Department, and there also exist tropical warning centers, and there are 5 such tropical warning centers in the world. There exist a specified guidelines to adopt names for each cyclones. In 2000, a group of nations called United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific and the World Meteorological Organization, which comprised Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Thailand, decided to start naming cyclones in their region. After each country sent their suggestions, the World Meteorological Organization and the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific Panel on Tropical Cyclones or PTC finalized the list. The World Meteorological Organization or the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific expanded to include 5 more countries in 2018. It includes Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates or UAE, and Yemen. The list of 169 cyclones names released by Indian Meteorological Department in April were provided by these countries. That means 13 suggestions from each of 13 countries. While picking names for cyclones, here are some of the rules that countries need to follow. If these guidelines are followed, the name is accepted by the panel on the tropical cyclones that finalizes the selection. The major guidelines to adopt names for cyclones are: first, the proposed name should be neutral to politics and political figures, religious beliefs, cultures, and gender. Secondly, names should be chosen in such a way that it does not hurt the sentiments of any group of population over the globe. Thirdly, it should not be very rude and cruel in nature. Fourthly, it should be short, easy to pronounce, and should not be offensive to any member. Fifthly, the maximum length of the name will be 8 letters. Sixthly, the proposed name should be provided with its pronunciation and voice-overs. One major fact is the name of tropical cyclones over the North Indian Ocean will not be repeated. Once used, it will cease to be used again. Thus, the name should be new for each cyclone. Adopting new names for each cyclones for each and every year helps the people easier to understand and to analyze about the specified cyclones in its correct manner. Burevi, Nivar, Yas, Javad, Gati, Neer, and recently Taute are the new names that was given to the recently analyzed cyclone. After following the specified guidelines, a cyclone's name is given and then it is given mass entry into mass media.